थैंक यू विशाल सर। पहले तो मैं ये कहूँगी कि आपकी वॉइस में या आपकी बातों में कुछ मैजिक है, और जो आप चैलेंजेस देते हो उसको करने का मन करता है।
एंड जो भी किया बट उसके रिजल्ट्स बहुत ही मेरे लिए वो थे, जस्ट लाइक मैजिक। ये क्या था कि हम इतने सालों से ऐसा कर रहे थे, बट सर ने कुछ ऐसा बताया, उसका रिजल्ट विद इन 24 आवर्स ऐसा रिलीज हुआ कि कुछ तो किया मैंने लास्ट 24 आवर्स में, जिसका रिजल्ट मुझे मिल रहा है। फिर यूनिवर्स ने हमें इनकी फैमिली में ऐड ऑन किया है, बट जो भी हो रहा है बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है। एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर गो नेचर टीम। एंड मैं सबको ये रिकमेंड करूंगा कि प्लीज़ ज्वाइन गो नेचर। एंड
First of all, I would like to thank you for the lovely experience. I would call it killing 28 days. Thrilling and killing. So these 4 weeks will be very, very special to me. Seriously, I can't thank you enough for the lovely experience, for guiding us, and for literally um, making us believe in natural remedies and natural treatments. And all thanks to you. Thank you very much for helping us through and through.
Thanks to you, Vishal, and the Go Nature team. You've introduced me to myself, I can say, in the most natural way. So the 28 days were of sheer excitement, every day waiting for some new challenge. And for Vishal, I will add some adjectives according to his name. V is for vibrant and valuable, I, iconic and inspiration, and S is sincere and selfless, H is humble and holistic, and A is affectionate and approachable always, L for light-hearted and lovable. So that's Vishal. Compare Go Nature to an umbrella, like you are holding the entire Go Nature for us, और हम एक परिवार हो गए हैं.
After completing 1 week, I felt that energy in me, that confidence that I can do that, and it literally went well. I feel that everyone should try this if anyone wants to bring some positive changes in day-to-day lifestyle. Everything went so smoothly, thanks to you. And thank you Go Nature team, bringing so much positive changes just by taking a small steps in day-to-day life. Really enjoyed the whole 28-day journey.
This is a very good journey. In fact, what I want to especially thank to you, your energy for 4 weeks is same, sir. It's not that this is something different or some short course or something like that. But your energy is same, and it was every week it was motivating.
सर मैं तो एक रिटायर पर्सन हूँ, 4 साल पहले गवर्नमेंट सर्विस से रिटायर हूँ, लेकिन ये चैलेंज इस मंथ में मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि मैं रिटायर ही नहीं हूँ, इतना एनर्जी बढ़ गया.
आपको तहे दिल से पूरा आपका शुक्रिया, आपके पूरे टीम का.
And I think I will follow the 100% of your program. Whatever I got so far, that I will do that. Thank you, Vishal, for your incredible contributions to the world of naturopathy.
It was a great journey.
मेरी प्रेयर है यूनिवर्स से कि आप ऐसे ही अपनी इस जर्नी में बढ़ते रहे और ऐसे ही सबकी हेल्प कर.
कंसेप्शन है कि बहुत कठिन है नेचुरोपैथी, बहुत अगर इसको करने लगे तो आदत बन जाती है.
जी.
थैंक्स, वेरी वेरी थैंक्स
जी.
और योर मिशन इज वंडरफुल. आई विल आल्सो जॉइन एंड प्रोसीड.
जब से ये शुरू किया है अभी मुझे लग रहा है कि हाँ जीना चाहिए मुझे. जिंदगी इतनी अच्छी है, you should not get into these depressions. So ये सब मैंने स्टार्ट किया है. I pray for you always that you have to be successful in the whole world.
अपने स्टूडेंट से कनेक्ट हो जाए और कनेक्ट होके उसको उस पाथ पे रन करने लगे लास्ट तक, तो वो गुरु होता है. तो वो मैंने आप में देखा है.
So this is something which I took
very
nicely from you. So thank you so much for your amazing workshop. Thank you so much.
Sir, your session was very wonderful. And as Go Nature, your nature is also very good. You take the class in a very energetic level, which develop energy within us. I find it is very easy to follow, and it has become a daily habit, right from getting up in the morning, like power breathing, sun gazing, drinking hot water. Most of them are very easy to do it because once it has been into practice, now I'm very much used to it. Thank you so much, because earlier I thought only medicines would work, but now you have brought us the right light for us that medicines are very hazardous to us. Instead, natural thing is very important to us. And thank you so much. You are also very energetic, and you used to build energy within us. Every class would be so jovial. You interacted very well and made us so easy to learn also.
But then when I joined this was like this was a boot camp.
तो जैसे पेपरों में होता था कि टीवी बंद कर देना है, ये चैप्टर हो गया, तो ऐसे था ये वाली टास्क होगी, ये टास्क होगी, ये होगी. तो I followed it diligently, and yes, I got the results. I got my thyroid checked again. I was suffering from hypothyroidism, and my reports are normal. So thank you so much, and it was a wonderful journey.